The 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with the Towing Prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, hard disk drive media storage, universal garage door opener, security system, compass, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, fog lights, trip computer, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.